Good morning everyone. Welcome to Narana Live Classes. Today we are going to look after assignment number 11 based on areas related to circles. Let us start with the first question. A sector is cut out from a circle of radius 21 centimeters. The angle of the sector is 60 degrees. Find the length of its arc and its area. So here is what we are having. Here the OAB is a sector. I have to find out the length of the arc and its area. So both the things I have to find out here. We know this is a formula based question. So length of the arc, so radius of the sector is already there as 21 centimeters here, and theta, the angle formed is given for you as 60 degrees. Length of the arc, we know the formula here, theta by 360 into 2 pi r. So this is length of the arc formula. So with the help of this formula we are going to find out it. So length of the arc is equal to theta is 60 by 360 into 2 into 22 by 7 into the r value. R value is 21 into 21. So this is once, this is 6 times, and 7 once, 7 3 times, and this 2 1 time and 2 3 times. This 3 and this 3 gets cancelled. Finally, I am left with 22 centimeters. This is a formula based question. So length of the arc we got it as 22 centimeters. Then next, area of the sector. Area of the sector. We have the formula here, theta by 360 into pi r square. So again the same thing, 60 by 360 into 22 by 7 into r value is again the same thing, that is 21 into 21. Okay, so this is when you go for the further simplification of this part, 1 time, this is 6 times, 7 ones, and this is 3 times, 3 1 time, this is 2 times, 2 1 time, this is 2 11 times. And therefore the final answer for this one, will be, this is 1 time here. So final answer will, this will be 11 into 21. So 11 ones 11 and 22 plus 1 23. So 231. So this is centimeter square, since this is the area for us. So therefore area of the sector we got it as 231 centimeter square. So this is one formula based question with respect to length of the arc and area of the sector. Now coming to the next question here. A horse is tethered to one corner of a square plot of side 42 meters by 42 meters by 35 meters long row. That means side of the square plot is given for you as 42 meters. In this, a horse is tied to one corner with the length of the rope as 35 meters. So find the area it can graze. So that means this is the shaded region that I have to find out. This is the area it can graze, and the area will be left ungrazed. So that means I have to find out this area which is not grazed by the horse. That means to find out the area it can graze, I have to find out the area of the sector. And to find out the area which is left ungrazed, so for this area of square minus this area of sector, these two things I have to do right now. So first case, when you go for finding the solution for this one, here the horse is tied to it. First let us find out the area it grazed. So to find out the area it can graze here, so since this is a square plot, the angle here will be 90 degrees. So area of the sector, area it can graze is nothing but area of the sector, that is theta by 360 into pi r square. Here the rope is of length 35 meters. So theta is nothing but 90 by 360 into, and pi value is, we know it, 22 by 7 into r is 35 whole square. So this is now 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into, right, 35 into 35. This is what we have to find out. So 35 into 35. So 4, this is 2, 11 times, and this is 7 1 times, 7 5 times. So I am left with 11 into 5 into 35. So 11 into 55. So it is 11 into 55 by 2. So that means if you are left with 11 into 5 is 55, 55 into 35. It is 1925. Okay. So that is 1925, 1925 by 2, it will be giving you 962.5 centimeter square. So this is 962.5, that is area it can graze, that is horse grazed. Now we have to find out, so for finding out the area which is left ungrazed, I have to get area of square also. From that I will remove this area. So first, when you find out area of the square, for the second case, area of the square is equal to, side of a square is 42 centimeters, so obviously 42 whole square, so 42 into 42, which will be giving you 1764 square centimeters. So therefore, area of the horse, area of the field that is left ungrazed by the horse. So area left ungrazed is equal to area of the square, that is 1764, minus the area what we got here in this area, that is area of sector, that is 962.5. Okay, so that is 962.5. So this will be approximately something like 801.5 square centimeters. Okay, so 801.5 square centimeters, this is the area that is left ungrazed. This is one of the important question. Now coming to the next one. Here, a chord AB of a circle of radius 10 centimeters makes a right angle at the center of the circle. So here is also we are having this angle is 90 degrees. So find the area of major and minor segments. Here I have to find out area of major as well as minor segments. So first thing, so when you look after this one correctly, here in this case, to find out minor segment, first what I have to do, to find out minor segment, OAB, this if we check it out, this complete part from O, this here to here to here, this complete is a sector. First I have to find out area of the sector. From that, if I remove this area of this triangle OAB, I will get this shading part, that is minor segment. Okay. Next, to get the major segment, that means area of circle minus area of minor segment will give me area of the major segment. This is what I have to do. A chord AB of a circle of radius 10 centimeters makes a right angle at the center of the circle. Find the area of major and minor segment. This is what you have to do here. That means to find out the major segment and the minor segment. Here, for finding out minor segment, it is area of sector minus area of triangle. Next, to find out major segment, area of circle minus area of minor segment. That will be giving me this concept here. So first case, let us go with the area of sector first. Area of sector, the same thing, that is theta by 360 into pi r square. So that is 90 by 360 into 3.14 into r value is 10 into again 10. So since the radius of the sector is given for us clearly as 10, so we are having this part here. So in this 1 by 4, 90 by 360 into 314 by 100 into 10 into 10, this 2 this 10 and this 100 gets cancelled. So I will be left with 314 by 4. So that is nothing but 7 4s 28, 34, 7 8s 32.5. So we got it as 78.5 square centimeters. This is area of the sector. Now next one, area of triangle. So area of triangle, OAB, area of triangle OAB. So we know it. Area of triangle formula is half into base into height, and since it is a right angle triangle, so you can take base as either 10 or if you take this OA as base, OB becomes the height here. So therefore, area of triangle, that is half into base into height, so 10 into 10, so that will be giving me 50 square centimeters. So I got this area of triangle also. Now, area of minor segment. So area of minor segment is equal to area of triangle, area of sector minus area of triangle. So that is area of sector I got it as 78.5 square centimeters minus area of triangle I got it as 50 square centimeters. So finally I got this area of minor segment as 28.5 square centimeters. So I got the area of minor segment. Now I have to find out area of the major segment. How to find out the area of major segment? To find out the area of major segment, the formula used, area of major segment is equal to area of circle, the complete one. Because area of major segment plus area of minor segment will be giving the complete circle. So therefore, area of major segment is equal to area of circle minus area of minor segment. Area of circle minus area of minor segment. So area of circle. So area of circle we know formula pi r square and r is 10 centimeters here. So pi into 10 square minus area of minor segment we got it as 28.5. That is pi value we know 3.14. 3.14 if you multiply with 100, 10 square is 100, so that is 314. 314 minus 28.5. So we know since it is in the question it is given for us as 3.14. Here we are going to consider it as 3.14 only. So therefore 314 minus 28.5, that will be giving me 285.5 square centimeters. So this is what I have to find out, that is area of major segment. Thank you.